Welcome to Multiple Choice Question 16 of the 2007 Mathematical Methods Exam 2. In this video we will be looking at the solution for this question. A reminder that this video is in no way endorsed by VCAA. And now before we progress on to the question, I'd just like to point out that the use of a CAS calculator is the most efficient way to answer this question. So for question 16 it says if a random variable x has probability density function given by this f of x hybrid function, then the expected value, e of x, is equal to. So if we want to calculate the expected value, we can look on the formula sheet and you'd see that the expected value for a continuous random variable with a probability density function f is equal to the integral from negative infinity to positive infinity of x times the f of x function, and then that's calculated with respect to x. So therefore, for this question, the expected value of x can be found by evaluating the integral from the lower bound of 0 to the upper bound of 2. So I'm just looking at the subdomain where our rule has meaning. So we have the integral from 0 to 2 of x times the f of x rule that's non-zero, so the x over 2. And then we integrate that with respect to x. So that's the calculation. We can now use a calculator to evaluate. On the calculator, go into the main menu. Next, we want to press the keyboard button to bring up the soft keypad. And we want to find the integral symbol. So we wanted the integral from 0 to 2 of x times f of x, where we knew that f of x's rule was simply x on 2. So we have x times f of x written in there. Then we just need to integrate that with respect to x, and hitting OK or the execute button will give the expected value of 4 on 3. So from the calculator we found that that was equal to 4 divided by 3. So that makes C the correct option for this question. And from the examiner's report we can see that this question was done moderately well, with about 2/3 of students getting this question correct. A number of students who picked B would have forgotten to multiply the f of x function by x and just would have calculated the integral from 0 to 2 of f of x dx, which gives 1 as the area under the curve. So that's the mistake that the student selecting B would have made.